Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this project, I'm doing uh, abstract video, and I'm using my jelly print papers, which I've done it previously. Some of those are like for a long time I kept it, and then I decided that I need to start doing more um, collaging projects. So I'm going to be doing more. So I have different colors made already. If you want to see that, let me know. I can make a different video with that. Then I'm going to mm, add a lot of things in this project, like paint pens and neocolor crayons and tissue papers and other kind of stuff in this. So I started doing a lot of jelly print by using rice paper, which is more interesting. So I'm started using that along with my deli paper. So I'm using gel medium as adhesive. Then I made some other jelly prints which has some stamps on it. I thought that'll be interesting. I know that there are a lot of artists made those that also inspired me to make it. Then I'm going to use some tissue paper in this, which is like a black and white. Um, that'll make it more interesting in this project. So I'm adding those in this. Now I'm using acrylic paint, and then I'm going to add those on the edges, and some of them I just use it in the middle to blend it. I could have used neocolor crayons, but I decided to use acrylic paint. It is more like darker, and it covers a lot of things. Then I'm using some neocolor crayons to blend. I'm using the colors which is already there in the background. And then I'm using some paint pens, acrylic paint pens. I'm not going to add different color in this other than whatever is there in the background. Then I don't want it to make it muddy also. Then again, I'm using acrylic paint pen for doodling. Then I'm using like a cream color in acrylic paint pen, and then I'm adding some stripes to give some interest. Then I'm adding some dots with the same cream color. It looks almost like white color, so it doesn't make a lot of difference. Then I'm thinking about adding some more things. So I decided to do some more circles. As we keep getting, you get more ideas of adding more colors and more materials also. Then we can keep on going. Then I decided to use black pen and do some um doodling. Then I decided to change to white paint because the black is already there in the background and it covers up. So instead of black, I think the white pen would be much better to use on that. So I keep adding colors wherever I need it. So I'm going to finish it and then end this project. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.